5 to 8 feet of snow in the highest terrain up and down the Sierra. So there's certainly a wet system for Central California. Now Southern California is seeing some rain. We had some overnight sprinkles, a few hundredths of an inch. That's why our streets are wet again this morning. But right now, nothing actively falling in the valley. A few sprinkles down south along the McCullough Range, but even those are south of Henderson. So here's FUTURECAST, and as we head through 6 o'clock this morning, still mainly dry, nothing worse than a sprinkle for us early morning commuters. Now, all bets are off after about 7:30, 8 o'clock this morning. The showers will start to develop. They'll be a little more widespread around the valley, so the morning commute could end up being wet after 7:30, after 8 o'clock this morning. Rain more on than off through the morning, through the middle of the day, and then into the early afternoon, just a spotty, lingering shower. We might even see a break in the cloud cover as we slide through the afternoon, and by this evening, those rain chances quickly marching off to our east. This morning, we've got lower clouds. The ceiling is down to about 5,000 feet, so some thicker lower clouds, keeping our temperatures close to 50 degrees across most all of the valley. We haven't seen much wind increase just yet here in town, but it will as the day wears on. 50s early this morning, low 60s this afternoon. Temperatures over the next few days, including the weekend, still looking a little mild for this time of year, so we'll look for low 60s over the next several afternoons. Now, this is falling as some snow up in the mountains. Winter weather advisory for snow levels above 8,500 feet through the afternoon. Could see, gosh, almost a foot to possibly 2 feet of snow in the peaks, and this snow in the mountains is going to wind down this afternoon into this evening. But if you are traveling up to Lee Canyon, up to Kyle Canyon, in addition to the slick conditions, it is really windy in the mountains. They could see some 50-mile-per-hour gusts today. Here in the valley this afternoon, we could see some 30-mile-per-hour gusts. That's pretty significant wind, most likely on the south side of the valley, but even up around North Las Vegas, a few 20 to 25-mile-per-hour gusts as the day wears on. So kind of a lot happening weather-wise, even though this rain isn't going to be torrentially heavy, maybe a tenth, possibly 2/10 of an inch of new rainfall today. Marissa, looking dry Friday through the weekend, and with less wind around Saturday and Sunday, it looks decent.